My PhD is basically on cobots learning from demonstration. It's a method to just explain or teach robots how to learn a skill. So currently it's very difficult to program a robot. So my job at Australian Cobotics Centre as a researcher is to come up with a framework that can actually help us extract some information essential for the skill transfer to the robots. So it's an easiest way to actually train or make the robot learn the skill that we have. So essentially, it allows industry people to use this particular framework and train the robot to do certain tasks easily in the factory floor instead of trying to teach the robot manually on what it has to do. It is expected that my research can actually be confined to a certain industry, and then it can essentially be trained on the tasks in that particular industry. And then once the training is sort of done on very simple means, it can actually perform all the actions that are expected by the industry.